So I brought you a video where I showed you how to use Runway Act 2 to do incredible lip sync for your AI videos. This allows you to create consistent character voices throughout your AI content, which is traditionally a very big problem when you're creating AI videos. Now, I recently was looking for another way to do this, and I stumbled onto Higgsfield's Lip Sync Studio. Now, Higgsfield has a ton of different apps here. I've done a video on Higgsfield in the past. If you want to see me do a full breakdown of Higgsfield, drop a comment, and I'll go through this entire platform, and I'll show you how this all works. But I want to focus today on the Lip Sync Studio. Now, what I found super interesting about this is that they basically came up with their own way to do lip syncing with models that don't even offer lip sync. So like Google VO3 has no lip sync option, but they're offering it as a lip sync in their lip sync studio here, which I thought was really, really cool. They also have Kling Speak as well, which is a new form of lip sync as well. You can use it on Kling, the Kling AI app. And they have their own model here, which is called, I think it's just called Sync Lip Sync 2 Pro. And Infinite Talk. So I think these are actually their own models, but I would imagine it's like an open source model that they're kind of molding here, because I don't really think they make their own models. They just take existing models. But I kind of wanted to walk you through this because I thought it was super interesting and super cool how it worked. So, and this is not sponsored by Higgsfield, by the way, not being sponsored at all. I just thought this was really interesting and I wanted to bring it to you. So this is their Speak 2 model here. So all I did here was input an image. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. So I basically input an image here. So I uploaded an image in the model. So uploaded an image or a video, and then you add an audio here. So you can generate this. So they allow you to select a different voice, to have a bunch of different voices. They don't have, unfortunately, right now, as far as I can tell, a way to integrate 11 Labs, which would be the next step for me. But that would obviously be something you could upload as well. So I could go to 11 Labs, create my own audio, and just upload it here. Not a huge deal, but it would be cool if they were to integrate that here as well. But essentially, you select a voice. You can even add like a background sound, which I thought was really interesting. So here's like a rain sound. Here's like a step sound. Park sound. So it's cool. It's like some background noise that you can have for your video, right? So you can select that, select the person in their library, and then you can add text and generate. And once you do that, it'll actually generate.
I'm lost at sea and no one is coming to find me.
It'll generate some audio for you, right? And then you can upload a video and it'll actually lip sync that. So I tried that here, and I'll show you what this looks like.
The key to a good life is to follow your heart. To never let your emotions get the best of you.
So obviously the voice doesn't really match his face. It's just like a random voice I selected. But to be honest, I wasn't super impressed with this particular model.
The key to a good life is to follow your heart. To never let your emotions get the best of you.
I don't think the lips move perfectly, but I want to show you the next one. So this is Kling Speak. So this is where it starts to get more interesting. So I'm using Kling Speak. This is the new Kling model. This is actually made by Kling for speaking, right? And you, again, upload an image. Upload the audio. So I'll just show you really quick how that works. Go to Kling Speak, upload an image, right? You can either generate your own audio, upload your own audio, whatever you want, and then generate it. And then you can see what this looks like here.
The key to a good life is to follow your heart. To never let your emotions get the best of you.
So the last part didn't look great, but the first part, we'll watch this again.
The key to a good life is to follow your heart.
That's pretty perfect, honestly. Not perfect, but pretty close to perfect. And the character integrity stays really, really good. And again, this is audio that I'm uploading here directly to Kling. So, or directly to Higgsfield using this Kling model. But now we're going to get even more interesting. So this is something called Sync Lip Sync 2 Pro. I think this is a new thing. I didn't see this before. And I'm going to show you what this one looks like. So this one, you actually upload a video. So I uploaded this video that I created in VO3 of a guy in the rain here, lost at sea, right? I went through this in a separate video. I created this audio here of the guy, with rain, like I showed you earlier. You can add the rain sound effect, and a guy saying, "I'm lost at sea and no one's coming to get me.
No one is coming to find me."
And I generated this one, and this one actually turned out pretty good. Let's check this out.
I'm lost at sea and no one is coming to find me.
So What I'm finding impressive about this, there's no other audio here, right? I'm uploading the exact audio, right? So I'm generating it here in Higgsfield, but I could generate this in 11 Labs, which would be my preferred way to do this. And then I can get a good lip sync. Now, what I'm focused on here is the actual lip sync of the video. Look how good of a job it does with the actual lip sync of what he's saying.
I'm lost at sea and no one is coming to find me. I'm lost at sea and no one is coming to find me.
To be honest,
I'm lost at
for my purposes, that's about as good as it gets. I've seen from AI video, that's as good as it gets. I think it's probably better than Runway 2, to be honest, Runway Act 2. Now, Runway Act 2, you need to have a driving performance. There's a little bit more that goes on there. So if you used Runway Act 2 with a driving performance, you could probably nail in exactly what you're looking for. I have a video on that. I'll put that in the description below as well. But for this specific purpose of lip syncing AI video, this does about as good of a job as I have seen. So very, very cool. And if you want to do lip sync, this is definitely what I would recommend in Higgsfield, this Sync Lip Sync 2 Pro. Now, the last one I want to show you here is actually using Google VO3. Now, I mentioned earlier, Google VO3 doesn't have a lip sync option. There's nothing in their software that allows for lip sync. But I wanted to see how this would work. So I input an image. So if I select Google VO3, I just want to show you what this looks like. It doesn't give you the option to upload your own audio, right? So that's where this gets interesting. You can just add text and an image. Now, essentially what they're doing here is they're taking they're structuring a prompt for VO3, and then they're using a start frame, right? So they're getting creative and structuring a prompt and a start frame so that the image stays exactly still. And you could obviously prompt this even more if you wanted to. They're giving you more prompt options here. But there's some kind of an internal prompt that they're using to create this, right? Using a start frame and using the text that you want them to say for this video. But it's pretty cool. Let's see how this looks.
Hello, my name is Paul. I'd like to tell you a story today about my life. Please sit down and have a listen.
Now, of all the examples I showed you, that is by far the best, right? I mean, it's so natural looking. The voice matches the face. It looks and sounds fantastic. But the problem with this is, since I don't have control of the voice itself, since I can't upload the audio of the voice, if I can't select the voice I want for this audio, it's never going to be consistent, right? So if I wanted to make 10 different, variations of him speaking in different scenes and stuff like that, it's not going to work using this method, right? It's very limited. So the consistency of the voice here is the biggest issue. But if you just need one-offs, right? If you don't need to have a consistent character voice, you just want to have a character say exactly what you want for a video, this is really, really good. But you don't really need Higgsfield for this. You could do this obviously directly in Google Flow with the right prompt. Probably be a little bit cheaper, although it's actually really cheap right now in Higgsfield. So yeah, I think it's like 75% off. So to be honest, it's probably just as cheap to do it here, and you're going to get really precise results doing it here as well. So I wanted to bring you this quick video. I wanted to show you these new lip sync options in Higgsfield. I thought they were really awesome, and I wanted you to try them out if you're interested in this. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about lip syncing with AI video and what you've done using models like this or similar processes.